Hello everyone, I am Abhigyan Panigrahi, currently cleared CS Executive Module 2. So first things, what you should do, be consistent in class, understand the concepts, be regular to the class, be regular to the tests, attend all the tests, and whatever doubt is there, clear with the faculties. That is the main thing, don't follow what I did. Actually, I was following these things, then later what happened, I was focusing on my CA intermediate exam. So and I even went to my native that time. So on November I went to my native, on December I came back, and December 5th, I think, that day my mom told me that some of my students are studying till night 3 o'clock, and what you are doing? You are going, you are watching movies, you are visiting your native and coming back. You have filled the exam form, right? Are you want to give the exam? Then I told, yeah, I have to give the exam. Then within 15 days, I studied entire syllabus of CS Executive. One subject I hadn't even touched. I hadn't even attended the classes. Only one subject of security law I had attended, and tax was in CA intermediate also. So one more subject was there, economic and commercial law, that on my own I had studied and then I had cleared. So main thing is, because why I cleared like that? Because I already had that habit, okay, of understanding the concepts. I knew how to understand the concepts. So what you have to do at this stage, attend all the classes, understand the concepts, then know this will be a process within you. So you can follow it even without attending the classes, like in future for professional or final exam in CA. That's why, because I am in Pro-Tree from 2022. I'm studying since 2022.
After 10th.
After 10th itself, I was
not
here.
going to his
I did
school.
my CA CET here, then I did my CA Foundation, I did CS Executive, I did CA Intermediate. For all exams I've studied here. So follow these, be consistent, and mainly attend all the tests. Because your tests will say like how better you are. Okay, through tests only you'll get to know about yourself. So please follow the test things. That is one thing which you'll get here, and all faculties are there. Please clear all your doubts from the faculties. That is the main thing you have to follow. If you follow that, if you follow these 5 steps, simple steps, to be consistent, to attend all the classes, then you are definitely going to clear. Okay.
So what do you feel like the professional courses like CA and CS? Is it really tough?
It is tough if you don't know anything. If you understand, if you know the concept, it is very easy. And if you know how to write the exam, for that I'm saying you have to attend the tests. Because you'll get to know what the exam is actually like. Okay, you'll get to know how you have to write in the main exam. That's why you must attend the tests in the academy. Because many people miss. When I was in foundation, there were around 8 students. It was a very small batch. And by the last, only 2 of them were writing the test. Me and one of my friends.
Many people start, but at the end, it matters who stand there till the time end. And out of that, some people clear, some people fail by some marks, and then next attempt they used to clear. So that is, who will do that work? Not faculty, it's you only, guys. You have to be there, what you had chosen. So it is not really tough. By seeing him, I don't feel that any professional exams and all these are tough. It is only focused. I had seen him, for one IPR subject is there for you guys, CS people. 50 marks or 40 marks? 40 marks. One day, 6 chapter he targeted, first time. And 5 chapter he completed. And 1 chapter he was not able to. So target is a very important thing. You have to target your studies. If you will target, you will achieve at least 90%. If you will not target, simply you are showing to yourself that I am studying for 3-4 hours, you are showing to your parents, it will never work. So targeted study is very, very important. You just start it. The one who are appearing in the exam in June and May, please start targeting your things. Plan it, target 5 chapters today. Definitely 4 or 4.5 you are going to achieve, and even 5. If you will not target, you will end up with the 2 chapters only. So that things are very important, and focus is important, and most important thing, say always to yourself. Though his father was telling you will fail, what guy, you are not studying. He said, I am not going to fail. That is, who will do that? You are the one who will keep confidence. People will tell you are not doing this thing well, this, and even I can point him, I can point you that you can't do. But what Nankishore had said, 15-20 days can also change the scenario. I yesterday reminded to Waris that 1.5 months is there. You be confident and you just take up that challenge and clear it. It's not that tough, guys. First of all, what you guys do, you be diffident. You think, no, I'm not going to clear. Let me take next attempt. ये नहीं होता है कभी भी. What attempt you are taking, put all your efforts in that. Okay. Thank you so much, Abhigyan. Thank you so much.